Hello everyone, welcome back to I'm Gonna Pack It. I'm Lonnie.
Hey, I'm Candace. Welcome back. We've got a weird one today. It's Thursday afternoon and we pulled 4 orders because we're planning on going out to sales in the morning. So we wanted to go ahead and clear the deck.
We don't even have to, we just wanted to.
These things technically don't have to go out till Monday, but we don't like to let stuff sit that long, you know.
We could if we wanted to though.
We could. We just choose not to. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and pack these. We may be back pulling and packing orders again tomorrow afternoon and add that onto this footage.
We don't know yet.
We'll see what happens. We don't know what's in store for tomorrow. We do know that we're going to garage sales, so
we're going to try anyways.
Right.
Have you looked? Are there any to go to?
I've been seeing signs of sales on Marketplace when I just glance, so I think it's going to be a go.
Okay. Y'all, I think I'm pretty excited today because I think I may have found. I've always been a little jealous of those sellers that, like when you talk to them, they're like, yes, I'm a seller, I'm a purveyor of X, Y, or Z. Like they know what they're doing when they're, when it comes, like when we go out.
Yeah. There's certain things they always look for.
Right. We're not like that at all. When we go out shopping, we're just looking for whatever. And that's not gonna change.
Right.
As everything sellers, that's what you do. But
we're increasing our knowledge.
I'm decided because we emptied out a drawer where we've been stashing a bunch of watches over the last couple of years. Probably a month ago, we did that.
Yeah.
And didn't deal with the watches yet. And today we came in here and I was like, you know what, we're going to start messing with these. And so I got out the tools, because I had some little watch tools and stuff. I hadn't really bothered to learn how to use them before or anything as far as opening watches and stuff. I'm not going to repair watches.
Yeah, we're not. Yeah,
I'm not going to learn how to,
change out crystals.
No, none of that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we're going to try and expand into that niche.
Yeah, just by replacing batteries.
Yeah. Opening the backs up and having a ton of batteries on hand, different batteries on hand, so we can quickly replace them. Because if you look on eBay, there's a ton of people selling watches, and there's a ton of people selling watches that work but needs a new battery.
Yeah.
And people don't trust that.
Right.
I don't trust it.
When I was looking up comps a while ago, I looked at one and they said it was working last time I put it in the drawer.
Right. And that's fine, and you know what the truth is? If the watch was working the last time you put it in the drawer and it's just been sitting in a drawer and good in air conditioning for 20, 30 years, I would probably 99% chance it works.
Right.
It needs a new battery, just like you say. But nobody believes that.
Right, or no one wants the hassle of buying a watch and having to go get a new battery put in.
That's it. Or even if you give them the battery, and this is me, you could give me the battery and I'd be like, oh man, because I'm always scared when I open a watch up, I'm scared I'm going to break it, scratch it, just do something to ruin it somehow, because I'm kind of a klutz. But today I was like, you know what? I'm going to start digging in and I'm going to start opening these things up, and we're going to start buying these things when we see them out in the wild more.
Yep.
Because we see them all the time. That's the thing I'm really excited about. It's because I know it's a big opportunity for a new niche for us, because we see watches constantly out there. It's not rare.
No, not at all. And so that's what we did today.
Yeah, so today it was kind of a learning day for us. We did get, over $300 worth of watches listed.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm learning how to we got to learn our brands. We have to learn maybe which ones at a glance, which ones are just not going to be worth messing with.
Yep.
But I did find if we have the battery in stock, in most cases I'm less than 5 minutes to change a battery out.
Yeah, you were pretty quick.
Yeah. And got more confident as we went. I'm just thinking about all the times I've seen watches and I'm like, I don't want to mess with that.
Right.
I don't want to get a battery for that. And people aren't going to want to pay for ours because
they want to know it's working.
They want to know it's working, has a fresh battery.
Yep.
I mean, shoot, if it, as cheap as a lot of these batteries are, if I feel like, okay, we'll give them the brand new batteries installed, and here's another battery, another fresh battery back, you can have as backup.
Oh.
Like you actually include the next set of batteries, even though realistically they probably won't need one anytime soon.
No. Yeah.
I don't know. I probably wouldn't encourage anybody to buy one.
I don't think it wouldn't encourage me.
But just knowing that it's a seller with good feedback that's telling you that they've installed a new battery and it is a running watch.
Yep.
That you have a leg up on 90% of your competition on most of these watches.
Yep. Fresh new battery.
Right. And these batteries, I mean, even buying the brand name ones, if you're buying them in like the same, if you're buying like 10 of a battery type, you're not going to pay more than 50, 60 cents a battery.
Right, no, they're so cheap.
And some of them are even a good bit cheaper than that, so.
These are some Nikes he's packing up that we picked up at Goodwill on our UPS run a few days ago.
Yeah, that was nice, right?
Yep.
That paid for the run. That made that run was worthwhile.
Yeah. That's kind of what we want at least once a week, to score some stuff at Goodwill.
And to drop stuff off.
Right.
It's been a Goodwill and us, it's been a net W for us. We've gotten a lot of good stuff for resale there over the years. And they've taken on a bunch of our donations for stuff that we honestly just wanted to get rid of over the years.
Yep.
I have zero complaints. Also, the staff there is actually very nice.
Yeah, they're really nice there. Okay,
Aren't they?
speaking of watches, this is one we listed today, new battery.
Yeah, just put a new battery in a Swiss Army watch. Is it huge money? This particular one, no.
It's
But
old fast.
It's good enough, though. I'm excited about, like, not being, I know I'm not going to be like a watch expert, but just having another spot where another thing that I feel the same way I do about books. Because although I don't call myself a book expert either.
No.
Because if you showed me a bunch of books, I would not be able to tell you which ones are good or bad in general.
You have a good eye, though, for it.
I do.
Kind of like I do for glassware. I don't know all glassware. I kind of have an eye for it, you know.
There's probably still a lot of books that I pass by that I just don't know.
Yeah.
That I don't know that I don't know what I don't know, you know?
Right.
You know? But it is exciting because I know that we encounter watches everywhere we go.
Yep.
Garage sales and especially estate sales. And So I know there's going to be a large supply for us now that we're going to be hunting for them, and I know there's going to be a ton of home runs. Mm-hmm. There's gonna be opportunities.
And shoot, just listed them today. I already kind of learned which ones are worth picking up and which ones probably aren't. You know.
Yeah. And like the you see them a lot, like the ladies' fashion watches. Mm-hmm. Seiko.
Yep.
Citizen, that kind of watch. What are those going to usually be? $30?
Maybe. Sometimes 20.
Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, so those kind of you know the watch I'm talking about, huh, Ken? It's like the gold tone, kind of skinny. So will we pick those up? Probably, if they're in good condition and they're cheap, we'll pick them up. But we're not going to pay $5 for them.
No, if we can pay $1 or $2.
Right, $1 or $2 kind of thing.
Yeah.
That's exactly it. I'm just excited to have a niche. A new niche to go after and learn about.
Or a new skill.
A new skill.
Yeah.
Developing skills of some new, tools. And I actually felt like I was doing something today when I was opening watches up.
Your little work bitch.
Yeah, and I had my little press, little watch closer, and yeah, it's fun.
Yep.
I understand. I'm not working on Rolexes here. We did have one mechanical watch that surprised me today, though. I didn't even know it was mechanical. I popped the back off of it. I was like, where's the battery go? But it actually worked, too.
Yep.
Okay. So, yeah, unless we add more after this, that's going to be it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.
Bye.